We're here today at Ikea doing another Ikea As-Is upcycling challenge. We don't know what we're gonna make, but we're gonna take something here and make it a lot better. But we read your comments from the last Ikea As-Is. We're gonna keep those in mind and we're gonna go see what we can find. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully half stuff. All right, let's go. Where was this? When we were doing Adeline's room. Wow, lots of couch options. Well, not doing anything with a couch, sorry. So many people tell me that we need like an island in the loft and I'm like, but we don't.
If you have a family and you have to feed 8 kids and you're like prepping this insane dinner, then sure, but.
Yeah, I have 8 kids.
Yeah,
So all over. This cup. Can we just upcycle this cup?
Sounds good.
DIY ever.
$1. Lamps, lamps, lamps.
They're all just like the weirdest.
I don't know.
Add this to my pile. This would be the real winner over here because it's like
Pink door frames.
nobody wants this stuff. Like, what are you gonna use this for?
Easy wall art. Just hang that on your wall. Pink panel.
I
Done.
call it Pepto. I feel like it'd be interesting to see what we can do with this because yeah, literally everybody has these. $4. Guys, cool. We have the best idea. We got a load of exciting stuff. Let's do it. Let's DIY. All right, we're back. A little haul of what we got.
So it's this little square table that I think everybody owns. I think it's originally about $9, but we got it as is for $6.
We also picked up this mirror, which is pretty exciting. This mirror was originally $39 Canadian, and we picked it up for $29.
So one of the comments we saw on the last Ikea As Is video we did was to do some sort of vanity setup with like a mirror and a table. So we saw these things and we were inspired, and that's what we're gonna try and do.
So we also found these, they're like just a part or something. They're 50% off, so they're $4 each.
It's pretty good for a piece of big wood. $4.
Yeah.
Come on.
But we're gonna use these things to make a vanity mirror.
First thing is making the mirror.
Kicking you out.
Take it away.
Don't make a mirror.
I'll do this table later.
So the first step I think is to take out this mirror out of the frame because for this DIY, we don't want the frame. Okay, hold on, let me pull out this glue first. Oh, yes. What is this used for now? Frame. Hey, it's so cute. So happy that that came out. I probably almost broke the mirror in the beginning there, but we're good. Okay, so we're gonna open up our wood block things. So we actually saw this mirror trend kind of going around and we've seen it in stores. And we actually kind of wanted to dupe it, so maybe this is our chance to do that, where the mirror kind of sits in like a piece of stone or wood. So if our idea works as we planned, we'll do these like 2 pieces of wood and then sandwich this mirror just in between, and it kind of just like becomes this a little mirror for our vanity. I'm getting critiques from Becky off camera. So we're thinking of maybe cutting the base a little bit, like keep the bottom angle, but then angle it like up here. I just drew in pencil all the angles on the wood and then use a circle saw to saw them off. So these are what my blocks look like. They're really cute. That was really easy to do. And now I don't have the little holes, which I thought we were just gonna have to like put up with. And we're just gonna use some construction adhesive to slather that in there, sandwich the mirror, and then clamp it all. We'll link this below if you guys wanna pick up something like it. We've used it for lots of different projects. You just have to make sure you don't get it on your fingies, but then it's all good. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to take it away to dry while Becky works on the table portion of our vanity.
Okay, so we have this little table here that was really inexpensive, which is great. The only problem is that it's the height of like a side table, which won't work if you want to pull a chair up to it and like do your makeup or whatever. So we actually picked these legs up from Ikea, not the as-is section, but they were still $5 a leg, which is great. They had cuter legs at Ikea, but they were like $20, $15 a leg, which adds up really quickly. So I think these will work. So I'm gonna unscrew these legs and then replace them with these legs. Easy, I hope. I hope. Yeah. This tripod's like, whoa. That's annoying.
Hold on, drama.
This is so much harder to screw screws into than I thought it would be.
You have to pre-drill some holes. Sorry, don't get off that easy.
So when I was doing this, I found out that the middle of this thing is kind of hollow, but the outside has solid wood in it. So when you're doing it, make sure that 2 of your screws are kind of hitting the outside parts. That way it'll be in there the tightest and stay on the best. My plates are on, now I can put the legs on. Oh, hello. Much better height.
cool. Should we assemble it with our mirror that we made?
Yeah.
Yeah! Cool beans, we made a thing.
That was extremely easy. It looks really cool. I'm obsessed with that mirror.
I know, I already dibs it.
It's so good. Maybe I'll
dibs
just make another one.
You should make it, like we should all make them and then we should all sell them because they're probably gonna retail for like $200. So like that profit margin though.
If you guys do make this, because you should, make sure you send us photos on our Instagram using the hashtag #SorryGirlsSquad.
If you guys have an idea of what you wanna see, something that you wanna see upcycled, we can keep our eye out when we go to Ikea for an Ikea As Is Upcycling Challenge Part 3. Also, if you guys have noticed, there's this little like sponsor button, which is new. And we're kind of like testing it out with YouTube. It's a way to directly kind of like sponsor us. That money with a little bit of cut going to YouTube goes to us. So yeah, it's a big deal.
We're trying to put out more content if you guys may have noticed. And if you want to learn more, click on that sponsor button. It'll tell you all the benefits.
Yeah, you get perks when you become a sponsor.
Cool.
But for, otherwise it's just the same. Otherwise things will stay the same for
everybody else.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for liking, watching? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure that you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And if you sponsor it. Thanks.
Bye.